Hello gearheads, welcome back to the workshop. Today I'm going to show you through a little bit of the features of our Gen 2 dump pouch. As the name implies, this is the second gen. We've added some features and upgraded a little bit in some of the materials. Now I want to show it to you, show it off a bit. And if you have any questions you can contact us afterwards. But first, let me bring you in a bit closer so you can see everything. So here we are up close. I don't know if you can see, but we made it out of a ripstop canvas. Quite an abrasion and cut resistant canvas, but also holds up really well against the sun. It's a piece of gear that will keep its color and will last a long time as a result. When it's attached to a piece of gear or a chest plate carrier, here's what it looks like. It's quite low profile. I put it next to a Nightcore P10 just to show you a little bit of reference. But very easy to open up and you have your pouch. Unfolds. This flap up here does just velcro down if you don't want to use it, so it stays out of the way. But there is a bit of a carrier handle in here, which you can bring the flap through, lay it back down, and that way you have a carrier handle if you want to use that for any reason. If not, you just tuck it back inside the flap and you don't need it. Here's what it looks like from the outside. We added a few extra compartments, mainly thinking of the range, but you could add your cleaning equipment or whatever you want in there. Just give some extra versatility. Inside this one, I added a bit of a screwdriver, some permanent markers, and a multi-tool up front, this little Velcro patch. But you could add whatever cleaning equipment or other equipment you might want. The pouch itself has a bit of an elastic closure. I don't know if you can see. I tried to add a white pillow in there to show the contrast. But you can open up the drawstring and really open it up if you want to have easier access to throw brass or magazines or whatever you're collecting in there. But if you're going to be running around or jumping or moving or doing anything where stuff might come out, it's probably a good idea to draw this drawstring up. It acts as a bit of a one-way valve. You can still throw gear inside quite easily, but it's much less likely to come falling out without you knowing. On the underneath side, we do have a zipper, help you clear everything out, dump out equipment at the end of the day, as well as the bottom side is made of a mesh. That way if you're getting rained on or if you had to go through water in any way, water should just fall out the bottom and you won't be carrying around extra weight. And on the back side, we have MOLLE compatible, so you can attach it to your rig, your gear, which way you need to, and it can always be with you. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us at TheQuarterMaster, but if not, see you next time.